Welcome to this Fabricville tutorial. In this video we're going to speak about buttonholes. First, let's see where to place them. You must first identify the crossover lines on the two pieces of garment, which correspond to the center line. The button is sewed on this line. The buttonhole is sewed facing the center of the button. A horizontal buttonhole will be placed this way, a few millimeters from the crossover line. A vertical buttonhole will be sewed on the crossover line, a few millimeters up from the button center. You can sew it with most sewing machines. The buttonhole is cut after sewing. You can also hand stitch a buttonhole. I will first cut the hole and start with a few vertical stitches at the left end of the buttonhole. Then I will make short and close blanket stitches. I poke the wrong side of the fabric, and then pulling the needle, I pass it in the loop of the thread. Then I repeat these steps, moving to the right. And that's it for today regarding buttonholes. Thanks for watching.